Hello and welcome to this somewhat chaotic vlog. I think it might be a little bit chaotic. We are, hey Josh.
What's up?
We are actually on our way to get pedicures together because that's something we like to do like once a month usually. But this time we are getting vacation pedicures because we're actually leaving.
Oh my goodness.
What?
It's so crazy. It's just a freaking pedicure.
It's a vacation pedicure. We are going on a family vacation, which I am so excited about. We're going to St. Martin in the Caribbean, which is a place that I kind of grow up going to every year with my parents. I learned how to swim there. It's just like a really special place with lots of special memories. And this is the first time that Josh is ever gonna go.
Finally.
I cannot freaking believe it. I actually lived there for like 6 months. I was working there like in between semesters of college, and then I like never went back to college. So this vlog is gonna be kind of like a prepping for vacation, pack with me, show you the things that I bought for vacation. I think it'll be a fun little vlog. I'm definitely planning on vlogging like most of the trip. So there will be some fun like vacation vlogs coming up next. This is a family vacation, so a bunch of my family is gonna be there, and I'm so excited. We're all sharing a big house together, which we've literally never done before since I was like a little kid. So it's gonna be really fun. I can't wait. Another fun fact, my dad actually started a beer company, a brewery on the island, and it's called SXM Beer because SXM is like the island's sort of nickname. It's the airport code for the island. But yeah, my dad started a brewery, a local brewery there on the island. The brewery has been up and running for like a year now, and I have not been there to like see the actual facility. So that's also another very exciting part of this trip that I cannot wait for. Same for Josh. You work for it too, right?
Kind of, I guess.
Josh actually kind of works for this company too.
Yeah, that's actually good, but I never thought about it.
Yeah, but I have a lot to do. I haven't started packing yet. I'm just like doing laundry, cleaning the house. We had to use up a bunch of our veggies that were in the fridge, so I made this like amazing butternut squash pumpkin sweet potato soup. That's gonna be for dinner. I'm excited to go chill in a massage chair for the next like 30-45 minutes and relax and get a pedicure. I got my nails done yesterday actually. I got these like, I call them pumpkin spice French tips. I feel like a lot of people don't like them, but I don't care, I think they're cool. And it's my little contribution to spooky season because I'm not a very Halloween-y person. I love fall, but Halloween's like not my favorite. They're actually a bit darker orange than I was hoping for, but I still like them and I think they're cute. They kind of remind me of like candy corns. Toes are looking fresh. Is this weird to put my feet on the internet like this? I got the shade Don't Bossa Nova Me Around by OPI, and it's so sunny. I like to get gel on my toes because it lasts like a whole month, and we like to pretty much go like once a month. We are home from our pedicures. It was lovely, and now I'm just making myself a bowl of butternut squash soup that I made right before I left. It's butternut squash, pumpkin, and Japanese sweet potato with lots of sage and thyme, and it truly might be my favorite soup I've ever made. I was telling Josh, and I make a lot of soups. That's kind of my thing. Here is what the soup looks like. I mean, it doesn't look very special, but it tastes very, very special. I look like such a mess right now, but it's fine. So I pretty much always just wing it with my soup recipes. I just like keep adding stuff until it tastes perfect. For this one, I had a butternut squash and some Japanese sweet potatoes that I've had for a while, and I really needed to use them up before we went on vacation, otherwise they would go to waste. So I just threw them in the soup, added some sage and thyme and a few spices, and it ended up being so good. I was joking with Josh earlier that I want to start a soup company called Sophie Soups because I do make a mean soup, if I do say so myself. I do apologize for the lack of natural lighting for the rest of this vlog because it is now 8 p.m. And I have not yet started packing, so that's great. Josh is packing because he's smart. I was doing a little ZARA haul, see all the stuff over here, on my Instagram stories, which was fun, but it was kind of a procrastination tactic, I think, because I really need to get packing.
Procrastination queen.
Yeah, I kind of procrastinate a lot. So we can get started now. I was planning on doing my self-tan tonight, so I was like all nice and tan and ready for the island because I don't like to sunbathe because I get really bad sun spots and like not cute freckles, like blotchy freckles. So anyway, I was gonna do that tonight, but now that it's getting so late and it needs like 2 hours to develop before I can shower, and I don't want to sleep in it because then I'll have to shower in the morning, and they're coming to pick us up at 5:45 a.m. So I don't want to have to shower in the morning. So I'm just gonna bring my tanning stuff with me, which is actually fine because I have the Lydia Elise Millen Glow Kit, which is amazing. Let me actually show you. It makes it super easy to like take your tanning stuff with you on vacation, which is great because we're actually gonna be away. Whoa. We're actually gonna be away for like 8 days, which I'm so excited about, but it means that I'll probably need to do a tan twice since I'll be like in the water all day every day. This is what the kit looks like. It's very chic. And I'm gonna bring my little exfoliating mitt that came with the kit because it helps you to like keep your tan really even looking, and it helps it to like come off really evenly. So I've got everything I need in here, my tanning stuff, even a back applicator so you can do it by yourself. It also has, I don't really want to open it right now because it will take too long and I need to pack, but it's got everything you need in there to pack. Josh, you're naked in the back?
No.
Shirtless. I feel kind of overwhelmed right now, but I did make a list on my phone last night of everything I wanted to pack, like apart from clothes. So that should be very helpful, but I'm gonna get started on that now. So I wanted to show you a few of the things that I bought in preparation for this trip. One of them being this like makeup bag, which I think is so good because I have a lot of makeup bags, but they're all really small. And I wanted one where I could like fit my makeup, my like shower stuff, skincare, everything in all in one. This was like $20 at Target today. And I loved it because it has 3 compartments. It has like this side, a middle pouch, and then the other side. So it's gonna be quite easy to stay organized, hopefully. I also got the Sunbum SPF 70. I like the spray because it's just easier and faster to apply than the cream. And then I got this, which I've never tried before, but I'm very excited to try it. It is the Sunbum Toning, Hydrating, and Smoothing Blonde Tone Enhancer. So it has this like, you know, purple violet color to it. And I thought this would be nice because I'm gonna be in the sun a lot. And this is supposed to also be like UV protecting. And I just thought it would be a great thing to do for my hair because my hair is like not very healthy right now. So every little thing I can do helps.
You got a good nips then.
Great. Did you show them your nipples?
Yeah, we'll pass.
Got the travel size Q-tips, obviously. Got a mini Elnut hairspray because this is the best hairspray ever. I really don't like the way it smells. It's just too strong, but it is a really great hairspray, so. Sanitizing wipes. I was so excited to find these because I feel like they've been sold out forever, but I guess I haven't looked in a while, but they had like a ton of these and they're like $2. So these are just like 75% alcohol wipes for the airplane. Some Tide to Go pens. That's everything I got from Target, but I also got a few other little things that I wanted to show you, like a really cute dress from Free People. Oh, I'll show you my swimsuits. I'm not gonna try them on, but I'll show you them here. Here's one of the bikini tops that I got from Free People. I really liked it because I like how it ties in the front, and then I also like the coverage in the back. I feel like it's just nice and you feel very secure, and it's so soft. These are the matching bottoms and I'm very excited about these. I feel like they're so flattering because they're like high leg, which I love, and then they also have that little bow that goes like right there where I want to kind of cover it up, my lower tummy, you know what I'm saying? So I thought these would be perfect. They come in a ton of colors, but I thought baby blue was quite cute. I got these at the Ron John store. I was just looking for like cute like beachy shorts because I just don't have that many like beachy clothes right now. And I think they're so cute and they're so soft. Like look at this material. Oh, I love them. What's the brand? It's called Buy Together. I don't know. They kind of look like Roxy or Billabong or something, but they're so cute. I also got this really cute, flowy, comfy baby doll dress from Free People. It's not really cute like this, but on it actually does look cute, so very happy with this. This is kind of funny because this is the second time that I purchased this exact same swimsuit, except before I had the bottoms in a large because it was the only size that they had available, and I was like desperate for a bathing suit because like we were at the beach and I didn't bring a swimsuit or something. So I ended up getting them in a medium, so they fit a lot better. But they're very cute, and again they're like high-waisted, which is what I like. I think it's nice and flattering. And then this is the top that goes with it, so just like a basic. Here you can see the texture, it's kind of like polka dotty, but I really like this, and it's by Exhilaration, which is like a very cheap brand at Target. I think this whole swimsuit is like maybe $25 or something, so love that. I'm feeling really like wound up. I don't know if you can tell, like my energy is kind of chaotic right now. So I made myself a nighttime tea, which I usually have in bed, but I just thought, let's try to like chill out, calm down, because I don't know, I'm just like all wound up and like too excited for vacation, but also like a little bit stressed because it's so late and I'm just starting to pack now. Okay. What I'm about to show you right now might be slightly disturbing, unsettling, terrifying if you are a human, I guess. Because it's definitely making me very anxious. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, this is the pile that I have to fit into the suitcase. I might be able to whittle this down a little bit, but so far this is the pile of things that I definitely was wanting to pack. So Josh is already all packed up in this cute little perfect carry-on size bag. To be fair, he did pack all of his shoes in here, so I have about 3/4 of this bag to fill up with this. And then on top of the clothes, I also have to do like all my toiletries, makeup, etc. and my own shoes. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna try my best to do a little cute time-lapse situation. But yeah, for now I'm just gonna put on a podcast or some music or something and get to work. We're on our way to the airport now. I didn't really get to finish the vlog last night, but hopefully you enjoyed just a little peek into prepping. I was just too tired. It's like not even 6 a.m. yet, and we're heading to the airport. I'll see you in another fun vacation vlog very soon.